Okay, we're going to make some 4-sound words today with short value. So closed syllable words with short value. I've got my happy face up here to make sure that I go from left to right. And I've got these letters. So U, P, L, G, N, S, M, C. U, P, L, G, N, S, M, C. So stop your video and go get those letters or letter tiles and get ready to make some 4-sound words. Okay, you should have your letters ready now. So let's go ahead and start making some 4-sound words with short value. These are closed syllable words. Ready? Let's make our first word. Plug. P-L-U-G. Remember, we need all 4 fingers. P-L-U-G. So start with that P. P. O. G. Now check it. P-O-U-G. Plug. Don't forget to plug in your iPad so that you can do your lessons each day. Plug, or your tablet. Good job. Okay, push those letters back. We're going to make a rhyming word, so we're still going to need the U and the G, but let's pull them down as we hear the sound. Our next rhyming word with plug is snug. So let's go ahead and tap it. S-N-U-G. S-N-U-G. S. Which ones are S? Good job. Which ones are N? Where's the That's right, that's our vowel. And G. Snug. Snug as a bug in a rug. All of those words rhyme because of the rhyme ug. We just had plug, and now we have snug. Snug. Good word making. Okay, let's push our letters back up, and let's try our next word. Our next word starts the same as plug. It's plum. So it has that that blend at the beginning of the pl. So let's tap it. Plum. Tap it again. P. Find the P. Plum. Remember, my happy face helps me know that my P has to go over on that side. Plum. I'm plumb out of luck, or I love to eat a nice, ripe, juicy plum. It's a fruit that grows on trees, and we harvest in about August or September. Plum. Ready? Let's try a rhyming word with plum. Glum. Glum is when you're sad and you're feeling bad, and glum. So let's go ahead and tap the word glum. G. O. G. O. Glum. Let's check it. G. O. Glum. I hope you're not glum today. The sun is shining. Maybe it's not while you're watching this video, but it is for us today, and that makes me happy. And our last 4-sound word today is club. It doesn't have a rhyme for any of the other words, but it rhymes with tub. So let's make the word club. K-O-U-B. Find the K sound. Well, we don't have a K up here, but when you hear a K sound at the beginning of the word, you can almost guarantee it's going to be a C. So let's find it. K. O. B. Oh, Mrs. Mercer, you didn't get a B out of your box. I'm going to have to get one, and so are you, for club. I am so sorry. Let's check it now. Club. Sorry about that mess up. Sometimes that happens. Things don't always work out the way we want them to, but we don't get upset. No siree. Just like Pete the cat. We just do what it takes. Club. You can use a club to hit a golf ball, or you could be in a club like the YMCA or a soccer club or an art club. So good work making 4 sound words today. Keep those fingers warm so that when you're reading books and you come to a word like this, you can tap it out and figure out the word. Good job.